Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am with my another old collection. It's a Chinese banknote. It's old, 1980 standard banknote, People's Republic of China. And this one you can see the two women in ethnic Boyer and Jiǎo dress facing right on the left, and design with on the right, this one you can see. And here JIAO, People Bank of China, 2 JIAO. On the top of, you can see the Chinese script, and the bottom you can see the Arabic numerals. And on the reverse side, if you want, it's very beautiful banknote. You can see it's a beautiful dress, traditional dress. And on the reverse side you can see Arabic numerals, and the Chinese, you can see the symbol. On the reverse side, on the top of it, it's Chinese traditional C script, and the Latin, Mongolian, and Old Uyghur, Tibetan. The lettering is Zhongguo Remen Jiang. It's a 2-year JIAO. This very beautiful blue note. Okay, so thanks for watching. Bye.